How's everybody doing? My name is Justin Pittman. I'm the owner of Precision Fly Fishing and Tackle, and we're here to talk to you a little bit about the Euro nymphing craze. Here at Precision Fly Fishing, we have lots to offer when it comes to Euro nymphing, high stick nymphing, but tonight we're here to talk to you a little bit about the Syndicate fly rod series that we just got in, the Pipeline 2. This is a gorgeous rod, single foot guides, beautiful wraps, 4A grade cork, 1 to 10 foot 3 weights. You get an optional fighting butt. We're carrying them both ways here in the shop. You're looking at a lifetime warranty. We have rods here that range from $325 to $349, and that is a range of 10 foot 2 weights all the way out to 11 foot 3 weights. These rods aren't just for Euro nymphing though. Casting these rods outside the shop, these rods not only do well casting the braid core lines and 18 to 20 foot of monofilament, but they also do well paired up with a traditional taper weight line. We threw this 10 foot 3 weight with a Cortland Spring Creek 2 weight line, and it casted very well. This would be a great rod swinging wet flies, dry flies. This is a very versatile rod. This rod could also be set up on big water, fishing big indicators here in Pennsylvania or anywhere around. So take a look at these rods online. Give these rods a look. You can find them on our website at precisionflyfishing.com, or stop in the store, meet some of our staff, and take these rods for a test drive. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching.